Hi students, here I am Simran Kaur, your teacher of science. So today, let's study science of class 8, chapter 9, that is reproduction in animals. So let's get started. All living organisms produce young ones of their own kind, while some of the animals give birth to babies and while some animals reproduce by laying eggs. So, the process by which living organisms produce young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. Now, there are two types of reproduction. First one is asexual reproduction and the second one is sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is the simplest form of reproduction in which a new offspring is formed from the cells of a single organism. Asexual reproduction वो होता है जिसमें एक न्यू ऑफस्प्रिंग फॉर्म होता है from the cells of a single organism. It is most commonly observed in organisms like amoeba, hydra, yeast, sponges, starfish, and worms. Some examples of asexual reproduction are discussed here. You can see that is first one is binary fission. How it works? Let's see. Binary fission is seen in organisms like amoeba and paramecium. So in this method, nucleus divides and then the parent cell divides into two daughter cells of roughly equal sizes. इसमें क्या होता है मेथड में? जो न्यूक्लियस है वो डिवाइड करता है एंड फिर जो पेरेंट सेल होता है वो डिवाइड करता है टू डॉटर सेल्स में ऑफ रफली इक्वल साइजेस. द टू डॉटर सेल्स आर आइडेंटिकल टू द पेरेंट सेल. ये दो डॉटर सेल्स होते हैं बिल्कुल आइडेंटिकल होते हैं पेरेंट सेल के. सो द टू डॉटर अमीबा undergo binary fission to form two daughter cells each. Now next one is that is budding. How this takes place? Budding is seen in organisms like hydra. Budding हमें कहाँ देखने को मिलता है? Hydra में. In this process, a multicellular bulb-like structure develops from the body of a hydra and projects outwards. ऐसे ये develop होता है और ये कहाँ develop होता है हमारा? Outwards. ऐसे ये grow करता है. This projection is called a bud और इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Bud. These buds grow and develop and once again they mature, they separate from the parent body to live an independent life. Now the next one is that is sexual reproduction. Most plants and animals including human beings reproduce sexually. Male and female gametes are required for sexual reproduction. दोनों के gametes होना जरूरी है for the sexual reproduction. Now reproduction in human beings. In human beings, males and females have different reproductive organs. These organs, called gonads, produce special reproductive cells or gametes. The male gamete is called the sperm. A sperm cell is a thin and elongated structure with a head, a middle piece, and a tail. You can see structure of a sperm. Here is tail. Here is a middle piece and it is head. These cells are motile and swim their way to the female gamete. ये cells कैसे होते हैं? Motile and they swim to the female gamete. Sperm cells are produced in millions in the testes. Now the female gamete is called an ovum. जो female gamete होता है उसे ovum बोलते हैं. An ovum or egg cell is round in structure. You can see that its structure is round, with thick layers of cells on the outside and abundant cytoplasm. They are immobile structures and are very large when compared to the sperm cell. ये बहुत बड़े होते हैं अगर हम इसको sperm cell से compare करें तो. Now here are male and female reproductive organs. So let us understand. First one is that is male reproductive system. First one is that is penis. Penis is this, you can see from here, and its function is that it transfers sperms into the female vagina. Now this one is called sperm duct. इसका क्या role होता है? Its role is each testis has a sperm duct in which the sperms travel to reach the penis. As the sperms are pushed along the ducts, the special glands release a thick white fluid called semen which provides a medium for the sperms to move. अगर sperms push होते हैं along the ducts तो एक special glands release